36 District Court is now
Right.
Mr. Riggs.
Yes, ma'am.
You gotta be, we open in court. 36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking, or smoking. When your name is called, please give your undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Roki. This is the People versus Khalil Robinson, ticket number SP 1317455, count one, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Khalil Robinson.
Your Honor, Pauline.
He's not in the docket. He was just here a couple of days ago.
Okay, say Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
He had a delayed sentence. He was supposed to pay $200, and if he paid it, then obviously the delayed sentence would be dismissed. It looks like he did in fact pay the $200 on November 30th. So with that, Mr. Roki, you have a motion.
Your Honor, motion to dismiss.
All right, so this matter is dismissed with prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Robinson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Well,
What you say?
Damn, I need you.
Ms. Randall,
You don't hear these people knocking?
be in court.
Well, I can't ask questions.
We,
It makes no sense.
you know what, Mr. Riggs?
what's the problem, Mr. Rick?
Because it said that it was tracking my information. I was wondering, like, what was that information going to?
What are you talking about, sir?
On the Zoom meeting, it said I couldn't join unless it acknowledged that it was my information was being tracked. I wanted to know what it was going to.
It's YouTube, Your Honor.
Yeah, I put us on YouTube so that people can watch the hearings.
I just want to make sure we're going to no third parties. Selling my, that's it. That's it.
Well, I mean, it's on YouTube.
I just want to make sure they weren't selling the information, though. That's it.
Say that again.
I just wanted to make sure they weren't selling the information, though. That's it. If it was just for viewing purposes, that's fine. But I just want to say they weren't selling it, though.
Mr.
Yes.
Rick, do you understand that usually all court proceedings are public? So that's why it has to be on YouTube so that the public can view it. Because usually court proceedings are always public. Does that make sense to you? You may not agree with it, but do you understand it?
That was fine, yes. I was just making sure, okay. You probably didn't hear my part, okay.
This is the People versus Tierra Ross, ticket number SP 1362559. Count 2, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Stroke on behalf of Tierra Ross. Ms. Ross, can you state your name?
Tierra Ross.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Ross is entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Ross. Can you sit up are you laying down in the bed?
No, I'm sitting up.
Okay, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court's going to continue your not guilty plea and set it for a bench trial for.
What's the date? So it's January. Because I'm trying to clear out.
Okay, give me one moment, please.
You said bench trial.
Mhm.
Bench trial.
Yeah.
It's for right now, January 6th.
Ooh-wee.
January 2nd, well, January 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Why January 2nd?
Mhm.
You're all set. Did you have any, unless you had any questions, you're all set,
No.
ma'am. Okay, you're all set.
You can hang up, ma'am. Same Zoom number.
Okay, thank you.
First is Anita Ulmer, number SP 1271606, count 3, improper place. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroking, we have Miss Ulmer. Miss Ulmer, can you
I'm
say your
here.
name, please?
Anita,
Ms. Ulmer, say your name.
Miss Ulmer, say your name.
Anita Ulmer, can you hear me?
Yes, thank you. Your Honor, Miss Ulmer did bring in a valid registration dated 10/26/2023. I'm moving for dismissal.
You should make proper cause.
So stipulated.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Ulmer. Good luck to you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Ari Randall, ticket number SP 1328511. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroking, we have Mr. Randall.
Miss Randall.
Randall, I'm sorry.
Ms. Randall, can you unmute yourself? Say your name, ma'am. You're muted. Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself.
Shamari Randall.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to Miss Randall. She's going to admit fail to display. The other matter will be dismissed. She's waiving her rights.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Randall. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 29, 2022 at 9:44 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Plymouth Road building in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2010 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause, that's the count 2 to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
It's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Randall, there's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by January 6th?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Talisha Rice. Ticket number X3966988. Count 1, no operator's license / multiple ops, no ops. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Yes. Pauline Stroking, we have Ms. Rice.
Miss Rice, what's your name?
Tylisha Rice.
Your Honor, Ms. Rice is going to accept the recommendation and admit fail to display valid license.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rice. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. you understand, you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 31st, 2021, 40 p.m. On that day and time, were you at or near I-75 Rosa Parks Boulevard in the city of Detroit,
Yes.
driving a 2007 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And did you not have an operator's license on your person?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Soroka?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count for fail to display. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Rice, there's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by January 6th?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the people versus Zachary Ricks. Ticket number 227457778. Count one, no operators license on person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Zachary Ricks.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, you have Zachary Ricks. This is a trial date, and I want to indicate the officer has appeared. Mr. Ricks is going to avail himself of the recommendation to fail to display valid license.
Just for the display license. Definitely.
Let me bring the officer out. Raise your right hand, Mr. Ricks. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, put your hand down. Officer Nichols, can you say your name for the record, please?
Officer Nichols at 1784, how are you doing?
I'm well.
Nickelback.
Mr. Ricks, he is going to make admissions right now to fail to display.
Okay, that's fine with me.
All right, thank you. Mr. Ricks, have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Nope.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yeah.
Are you saying yes?
Yes, yeah.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
What's the difference between a trial and right now?
Well, it's set for trial. If you want to have a trial, then Officer Nichols would present testimony. If you wanted to testify, you could do that. And then the court would decide if you were guilty or not.
No, I just want to know the difference. No, I'm guilty. I just want to know the difference. That's it.
All right, so you understand you are waiving your right to having that trial?
Yes, I do.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still want to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 2nd, 2022 at 3:17 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Conan and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes, at the light. Yes, I was.
Were you driving a 2010 Ford vehicle?
Yes, it was. A beautiful one. Yes, it was.
Did you not have an operator's license on your person?
No, I did not at the time. No, I did not.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Rossi?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Ricks, there's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by January 6th?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
You have any questions, sir?
What? No, I'll find a way to pay the fine. That's fine. That's it. That's it.
If I can tell you how to pay it.
Okay, well, tell me then. That's fine.
Okay, so you can pay it either, you can come down to the court, you can pay it over the phone. If you're ready, I can give you the phone number. You can pay it online. There's there's kiosks around the city called DIV-DAT, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom. You can pay at the kiosk. You can even download the DIV-DAT app. And those are all the ways.
Okay, I'm ready for the number though.
It's 855
855
798
798
1547.
1547. You said 855 798 1547.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Any other questions?
No further questions.
You're all set, sir. Good luck
Are
to
you single? Okay, that's no further question. No, thank you, man.
Have a good one, Mr. Red.
You too.
All right. Thank you, Officer Nichols.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good one.
You too. This is the people versus Dejanay Richardson, ticket number P1244983. Count 1, improper place. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Dejanay Richardson.
Pauline Strokey, on behalf of Ms. Richardson. Your Honor, Ms. Richardson prevented a license that's dated for 2025, insurance that ends in 2023, and a registration that ends in 2023. I'm moving for dismissal of all her matters.
Stipulate to probable cause.
So stipulated.
All 3 matters are dismissed as the valid documentation. You are all set, Ms. Richardson. Good luck to you, ma'am.
I have one question. I have court with you again on Monday. I was trying to see if I could pull it up right now, or do I have to come back in on Monday? Because I'm leaving to go to Florida today. I won't be back until Monday. That's why I was trying to get it taken care of if I could.
Did you just press something? Oh.
So, Mr. Rogi?
Yes.
One is drive and register or entitled vehicle. So obviously that would be dismissed, but the other one is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That would be a 3-month delay sentence.
But I was not there. I walked up to the scene. That's why I'm saying I was not allowing him to drive the car. I was at work and then he called me. That wasn't even my, I wasn't
Ma'am,
there.
So you want to get a trial date then on that ticket?
Yeah, we can.
I'm gonna ask court to set that for bench trial.
All right, I'll just set them both for bench trial. Raise your right hand, Ms. Richardson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
And can I have the case number?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, let me call them. This is ticket number SP 1331079. Count 1, drive and register or untitled vehicle, and count 2, allowing unlicensed driver to drive.
Okay.
We're all set, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, now these people in the waiting room, they seem to have left. Call up the phone number